you all doing well wherever you are. I'm super excited today to make again a video because it has been a while I haven't made one. And today I'm gonna make a very nice and simple recipe, pancake for breakfast. As my son Praise really loves pancake, you know. He doesn't eat that much breakfast, I think. But while I make a pancake, he really loves it and he ate it with appetite. And he always say, "Mommy, Mom, I love you," and I always had like million kisses from him. And I really enjoy making pancake even each and every morning. I don't complain. And I'm really appreciated. I'm so grateful for you all for keeping this channel together with your subscription, with your like, with your comment, and I'm super grateful. Here's my ingredients. I have some milk. I put my milk with 2 spoons of sugar because I'm not really a sugar person. I want my pancake to be less sugary. I have some flour, some melted butter, some eggs, salt, and the vanilla essence. And this banana here is just for my topping. My topping, I like to make pancake with a topping of banana or maple syrup because I don't put too much sugar in it. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and put a like button, your comments, all your support. I really appreciate it. And press the bell of notification so that you can get every notification of my recipe. Okay, let's move to the next step. Okay, we are in the next step. We're going to I'm gonna put all my ingredients at the same time. I crack some eggs, yeah. Some of my melted butter, and I put my milk mixed with sugar, and I'm just going to put a pinch of salt. Yep, a pinch of salt. I'm gonna mix my liquid for 2 minutes. I'm gonna mix it all together. Then I'm gonna make the dry one. I'm gonna make my flour and my vanilla essence. You can understand, I'm a mom. My son is not stopping calling my name while I'm making a video, but it's okay. Now I'm gonna put my vanilla. Okay, I'm gonna put my vanilla. It's just quite sweet. That's why I didn't put too much sugar. And I put my flour. That's why I love to eat it. Mama knows that. Oh, look the way it cooks very nice. I love it. My baby's gonna be very happy. Say, Mom, you are the best. Cute. Are you enjoying your pancake, my love? Yes, Mom. Is it delicious, baby? Yes, it is, my son. I can feel it. Yay! Mommy is a super mom. Yes. It's super funny. This boy is super exciting when I always make like pancake for him. And the funniest thing is like he doesn't like the factory one. He loves the homemade one. Okay. Yeah, make someone smile, you know. I'm so happy to make my son smile this morning with my pancake recipe. It doesn't take much. Do you want more, my love? Yay! You're going to get more, my love. I'm super excited. Okay, for sure you're gonna get more. Okay, thank you very much. Here I'm done with my recipe, the pancake with some banana. And I hope you try it at home for your kids. They're really going to enjoy it. Just a simple recipe. And thank you for subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to put a thumb for the like button and press the bell for the notification. I wish you all good day and all the best. Keep safe. Bye.